In today's video, we're going to be going over analog horror audio. We're going to learn how to make these creepy analog sounds. We're going to be using this program called Audacity. It's completely free. Once we have Audacity, we're going to want to drag in our audio and lower the quality for the audio. Alright, so to begin, we're going to want to click our audio, make sure it's highlighted. Just click like this area and like make sure it's like white. And now we're going to go to Effect, EQ, and Filters. And we're going to go to Filter, Curve, EQ. Go to Presets and Settings, Factory Presets. Click on AM Radio. And then click apply. Alright, we're not done yet. Don't get all excited now. Select your audio and go to edit and then click on preferences. Change the project sample rate to 22050 and then click OK. Now we're going to want to click out of it in this empty space. Go to generate. Click on noise and then click generate. Make sure it's on pink with the amplitude of 0.01. And now click out of the space. Click generate again, and now we're gonna go to tone this time. Make sure it's on sawtooth 60 hertz and this amplitude. You wanna make your audio mono, highlight your audio, go to tracks, go down to mix, and mix stereo down to mono. To render out the audio, we're gonna go top left, click on file, export audio. Now once you guys put it in somewhere, name it to whatever you guys want. We're gonna save it as a other uncompressed files. And make sure the encoding is unsigned 8-bit PCM. And the header could be this, what I have on. Click save. Now I'm going to show you guys what I would do if I was making analog horror. First, I would go to YouTube. I would search up analog horror songs. And immediately after the search, there's hundreds of videos of playlists and different audios we can use. So for example, this is the song I used for my edit. I posted on TikTok and I just downloaded it and I put it in the edit very faintly in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Now that I've dragged in my song, I'm going to play it. It's too loud. So I'm going to go to the audio, click this little drop down, click it again, and we're going to just crank it down to like -20. It sounds much better. Be a little bit more like around almost close to -30. That sounds much better. Also, if you guys want to muffle things, I'm going to leave a preset link down in the description for free. It's a muffling preset I use in every single edit mostly. But if you guys want to muffle it, put on the preset and it's super muffled. If you guys don't want the muffling to be too great, just delete one of the effects. Boom, and it shouldn't be too much now. Also, in my edit, I muffled the actual audio of the voices. And so just apply the muffled preset and boom. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.